Hello, and welcome to Trading Without Fear. Good morning, Quentin, and good morning, everyone. So today is my thought process going into the morning was the Qs opened up a little bit lower than what it closed yesterday. So I was thinking of going short right around this area right here. Looks like it was making lower highs, lower highs. Pre-market high had a pretty big drop this morning around 6:30 Colorado time. So my thesis was to go short on that. Strike price was 318. And so I ended up going in for 6 contracts at 64 cents. And then it started ramping up and broke through that resistance level on that trend. I got stopped out at 44 cents. So on that particular trade, it was a loss of 31.25%, so $120 loss. And as it started, breaking through this area, I decided to switch positions and go long. So I ended up going long on the 324 strike price. I got 8 contracts at 32 cents and scaled out of the position, took 4 contracts at 53, and then another 4 contracts off at 77. So that was a total of around 140% on the one that I scaled at 77, and the one that was 53 was 65%. So total profit on that trade was a total of $264. And then I was looking at AMD yesterday. It had a nice run and it was kind of forming this nice wedge pattern right here. So I ended up going long as well. Strike price was 103. So I'm getting 6 contracts in at 103. The time frame would have been right around this area as it's starting to make that breakout. I was anticipating it, trying to break out and continue going on just a little bit. So 6 contracts at 53 cents, and I got all contracts off. Got 2 contracts off at 84 cents, and then the last 4 was off at 105. And that's a $270 profit on that one. And as the markets are crashing, short selling is becoming more common in my trading system. TradeZero offers a large list of hard to borrow stocks. One of the unique features that I love about TradeZero is they offer you the ability to sell back borrowed shares and get a percentage in return. Locate fees adds up, and this feature allows you to save more money. The executions are done with direct market access, which means the executions are lightning fast. TradeZero offers customizable level 2s and time and sells, which is a great feature that I love. Click the affiliate link below and open your TradeZero account today. And then I was looking at Tesla with my thesis of the market going down. I was looking for weakness in the market and it just looked like we're up too much. So Tesla just looked pretty weak. It had a nice downtrending chart. There was kind of this line in the sand right here that I'm looking for. And, I wanted to go ahead and get short on it. So I went in and got the strike price of 870. And, this one went way further than I was anticipating. Looking at the options chart here, there was a lot more potential than what I actually took. There's a potential of around over 1,000%. And with me trying to go for consistency, I just want to aim for something that's more consistent. And that 70% mark right now is what I'm aiming for. So 6 contracts on at 50 cents and scaled out, got all 6 contracts up at 86 cents. So that was a total profit of $216. And when I started noticing that the market was finally starting to get weak, I missed the nice downtrending part on the Qs. So I started looking for other charts that was forming a similar pattern, and AMD popped up again, and it was starting to show weakness and was falling through VWAP. And so I went in at a $102 strike. Got 6 contracts in at 40 cents, scaled 2 out at 62, and then took 2 off at 65 and the rest off at 74. And so that one is a total profit of $162. And then my last trade of the day was on APD. And it's a former runner, it's been up a lot and it looked like it was trying to make a push. I missed this nice play right here. And when I was trying to get into it, the options chart wasn't moving much, so I ended up getting in 5 contracts at 65 cents, and I tried to pull my order again, instantly got filled, and then canceled it and got closed out around 60 cents. Tried to get it again, got in at 65 cents again, and just left my risk there, thinking that if this continues going on, we might have a winning trade. Got stopped out at 50 cents, and the first one was a 7.69% loss of $25. And then the other one entry was a 23.8% loss, so $75. So total losses on that was $100 on that trade. So that's pretty much it. The day's profit was $692 on the day. So for this week, I'm up so far from, I guess you can say from the beginning of the challenge, I start off with $1,500 and I have 2,466. So total profits from this week and last week is $966 for the past 2 weeks. So system's working out pretty well. It's definitely showing me it's not a system problem, it's a personal problem. And trying to tweak out some of the things that I've been doing, wrong in my live trading. As time goes on, I'll start to scale up, as my account starts to grow a little bit bigger, I'll start to scale up on that account. But for right now, I'm still sticking with that $300. Around $300 is my max position. So that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello, and welcome to Trading Without Fear.